How to delete SIM card messages on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Messages application on your device and simply tap on your account at the top right corner. Now select on Message Settings over here, and as you tap on Message Settings, you can simply scroll down, and here you can see there's no direct option to delete all the messages. So what you can basically do over here is simply launch the Settings application on your device, and as you launch the Settings application on your device, scroll down and tap on the option of Apps. Select on Manage Apps, and as you tap on Manage Apps, simply tap on the search bar and search for Messages over here. You'll get the Message application at the bottom of the screen that will pop up, so you can simply wait for a few seconds until the app pops up. And as the app pops up, you can simply tap on it and tap on Clear Data. So you can simply tap on Clear All Data option and delete all the data. So what this will do is this will just delete all the SIM card messages on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.